Hello, and welcome to today's presentation. I will discuss using a fluidized bed dryer to preheating oilseeds with a Calormatic, enhancing efficiency and quality in mechanical oil extraction. Oscar Abro, Sweet Manufacturing Company's Calormatic product manager, created this presentation. Hello, and welcome to today's presentation. I will discuss using a fluidized bed dryer to preheating oilseeds with a Calormatic, enhancing efficiency and quality in mechanical oil extraction. Oscar Abro, Sweet Manufacturing Company's Calormatic product manager, created this presentation. The global oilseed market is projected to reach $513 billion by 2032, with a CAGR of 6% demand for oilseeds edible oils. The oilseed market expansion includes expanding feed applications, especially in monogastric animals, demand for oilseed edible oils for human consumption, and the renewed increase in renewable fuels, biofuel. Major players in protein feed production for animal consumption are firmly looking to improve the oilseed supply chain in response to domestic consumption. This will enable this industry to grow. USDA, demand for domestic renewable fuels like diesel will impact the feedstock trade. Soybean and oilseed processing capacity is growing to catch up with this growing demand, so it is worth mentioning the supply chain challenges. Farm and dairy say. Bloomberg reports the imbalance created by importing oilseeds and its impact on the domestic market and prices. NASDAQ reports that grain prices are lower than expected, but pressure on demand for animal feed is increasing the oilseed meal product prices. These are three enemies for mechanical oil extraction if you don't preheat the grain before the crushing process. High viscosity, intact cell walls, and anti-nutritional factors diminish oil extraction in oilseeds in the following ways. High viscosity. High viscosity in oil makes it thicker and more flow resistant. This viscosity can slow the extraction process as the oil is harder to separate from the seeds. Intact cell walls. Oil is stored within the cells of the oilseeds. Intact cell walls prevent efficient extraction by physically blocking the oil from being released. Breaking down these cell walls through preheating or other means is essential to improve extraction efficiency. Anti-nutritional factors. These substances can interfere with the quality and solubility of proteins in the oilseed meal. If not properly reduced or removed, anti-nutritional factors can degrade the nutritional value of the meal, impacting its suitability for use in animal feed or other products. Preheating oilseeds before mechanical extraction is essential for maximizing oil yield and quality. The Calormatic fluidized bed dryer excels in preparing oilseeds like soybeans for this process. Using a high-temperature, short-time approach, the Calormatic effectively reduces moisture content, enhancing the efficiency of the crushing stage. This critical preheating step improves the final oil product by facilitating oil flow in the further steps of the process. The Calormatic offers a significant advantage in mechanical oil extraction by optimizing yield, quality, and overall process efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for modern oilseed processing. Fluidized bed dryers working principle. Start by injecting air from the environment. Passing this air trough, the burner to rise the air temperature. Air passes through a perforated floor. Fluidization. The conveyor, move the product inside of the machine. Saturated air with moisture is released. Convection process. Preheating oilseeds with traditional dryers before crushing can diminish oil extraction efficiency and compromise meal nutritional quality. Conventional methods often require prolonged heat exposure to reduce moisture, leading to the degradation of essential nutrients and proteins in seeds. This process may also degrade oil quality through oxidation, reducing its shelf life. Without preheating, oilseeds retain higher moisture and intact cell walls, hindering efficient oil extraction during crushing, resulting in lower yields and increased processing costs. Moreover, traditional dryers may not effectively reduce anti-nutritional factors in oilseeds, impacting nutrient absorption in animals. In contrast, modern technologies like the Calormatic ensure controlled moisture reduction and optimal temperature, effectively preserving oil quality and nutritional value. Traditional dryers can catch fire. These are three enemies for mechanical oil extraction if you don't preheat the grain before the crushing process. High viscosity, intact cell walls, and anti-nutritional factors diminish oil extraction in oilseeds in the following ways. High viscosity. High viscosity in oil makes it thicker and more flow resistant. This viscosity can slow the extraction process as the oil is more challenging to separate from the seeds. Oil is stored within the cells of oilseeds. Intact cell walls prevent efficient extraction by physically blocking the oil from being released. Breaking down these cell walls through preheating or other means is essential to improving extraction efficiency. Anti-nutritional factors. These substances can interfere with the quality and solubility of proteins in the oilseed meal. If not properly reduced or removed, anti-nutritional factors can degrade the meal's nutritional value, impacting its suitability for use in animal feed or other products. The fluidized bed dryer, Calormatic, has adjustable working parameters and a programmable PLC. The operator can adjust the bed depth, feeding speed, retention time, product temperature, fan speed, and more. The fluidized bed dryer's controlled and continuing heating process improves moisture reduction with precision and no contact with the flame. Preserving oilseed protein and its nutritional composition reduces the anti-nutritional factors and moisture content, which are essential in mechanical oil production. In partnership with Anderson International Corp., a major player in mechanical oil extraction equipment manufacturing, we completed a soybean preheating process with a Calormatic Eagle 2, a total installed capacity of 105K ton-ur in 24 hours of operation. The goal: preheat the product to 250-295 F to reduce moisture content from 19 to 15% to 8 to 9%. Reduce the ANF below 5,000 TIU/gram, and improve protein levels before the crushing process. Preheating the oilseeds, soybean, to 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit will gently reduce the moisture content from 15 to 13% to 8 to 9%, thus increasing protein content by weight. This moisture reduction ensures that solubility levels are preserved for the best animal benefit. This is 75 to 95%. Due to reduced moisture content, oil content is also increased by dry weight. Preheating oilseeds, soybean, will also reduce the anti-nutritional factors below 5,000 TIU/gram. The Calormatic's automation allows operators to adjust these reduction levels to lower or higher values. Traditional drying methods can reduce the moisture content. Still, they can affect nutritional values because they require longer exposure to reduce moisture content and could affect protein solubility, leading to protein quality degradation. However, Calormatic addresses these challenges through its advanced automation and control systems, ensuring optimal drying conditions, high temperature in a short period for oilseeds protein meal production. It reduces viscosity and enhances oil flow. This results in higher yields and faster processes. Preheating oilseeds lowers the oil's density, improving extraction. For example, heated seeds break down cell walls, releasing more oil. This is crucial for oilseeds with tough shells or high oil content, like soybeans. The result is a significant increase in oil yield. Increased efficiency and throughput are vital in large-scale operations. Thus, heating boosts productivity and profitability. Enhanced extraction methods lead to better economic outcomes. Efficient extraction processes benefit the entire supply chain. This highlights the importance of preheating in oilseed processing. Preheating oilseeds enhance oil quality by reducing impurities and moisture, ensuring a higher-grade product vital for market competitiveness. Heating eliminates moisture, minimizing microbial growth and spoilage, as is exemplified by preheated sunflower seeds producing oil with fewer impurities. This process enhances oil's shelf life and stability, crucial for storage and transportation. High-quality oil meets industry standards and consumer expectations by adopting preheating practices, essential for maintaining product integrity. Improved oil quality directly impacts marketability and profitability, making preheating vital for producing high-quality, market-ready oil, enhancing yield, and ensuring superior quality. I want you to take this. The fluidized bed dryer is a continuous process that allows us to control its working parameters and heating while producing exceptional insect protein meal, preserving protein, vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids. The fluidized bed dryer uses a high temperature in a short time, preserving the nutritional factors of the insect protein meal production. Contact us now at sweetmfg.com to learn more about how we can help you with your insect protein production needs.